So in this video, I want to look on an item that I was thinking a little bit premature to discontinue on Fotodiox. I do like the modifiers, I do like some other products that produce, but sometimes a little bit maybe rushing to discontinue some product. So this is, I'm going towards the modifier, and specifically the bouncing modifier that you can put it on a floor. That was designed originally, and I'll show in a second. Right here the frame, and we'll look on the other setup also how it's going. But right here you can see this portion. It was originally designed for Einstein light, and I think it was a little bit premature they cancel this item. I used on all my photo shootings that were going on an event. When I stop different lighting, this is always going on the bottom, and it's actually very important because the light bounces from the floor up and highlights right here where the eyes of the people. And when I do photo shoot like a cosplay, steampunk or other things, most of them wear hats, and if you set up all lights, the hats will cover your eyes is darker, so you kind of need bounce it from floor. I did not find very much any other lights, but this one is set up very easy, very fast. I'll have a video how you can see you can set up, and it is work very nice. So overall, right here is a frame. It's come with the frames that you can set up, and it's also come in a pouch, very collapsible. Almost sometimes I confuse this with my just reflectors, where you unzip it and here's a hole, so it's a kind of pop-up stand, and it's quite a bit size. So we'll see on a video how you set up. But overall, here on the end, you can see where's a circle. It's where the hour flash head going to like hit inside. The hookup is very easy on this one. As we're going lock one side, we lock another ones, and two on the bottom. We'll lock them as well. And it's simple, just pull it, lock. I mean, very fast to set up. And there you go. And it's going inside. It's all to this. Very easy, very simple, but do excellent job. How say, I do think this specific modifier was too prematurely discontinued, because you not necessarily need to use this with the alien, with the Einstein lighting, alien bees, or other ones. Many other flashes will work just very good. So I don't know if anybody else still selling this, and if you find, let me know if you find somewhere else this modifier for sale. However, I will highly recommend if you do event photo shootings and you need photo shoot a lot of people coming, even when you photo shoot in a studio, because I did other video when I need a highlight product, I still end up taking normal strip box down from the stand, put it on the floor, because I did not have this one with me. It was kind of on moment decision, but again with that, much easy to just to put a modifier there and it's highlight with your controlled flash. So again, I think this, on my opinion, one of the too early premature discontinued product from Fotodiox. Thank you.